The moon is thin, the night is calm, a holy month, a healing balm. Hearts awaken, souls ignite. Ramadan's light, Ramadan's glow. Through the fast our spirits grow. In every prayer, in every sigh, we seek the mercy of the sky. The dawn it whispers truth so clear. With every tear he draws us near. Empty plates but hearts are full. Each moment counts, each breath we take. A better world is ours to make. Ramadan's light, Ramadan's glow. Through the fast our spirits grow. In every prayer, in every sigh, we seek the mercy of the sky. The hunger fades, the soul is fed with words of wisdom, prophet said. Patience blooms in deserts and a lesson etched by his command. Ramadan's light, Ramadan's glow. Through the fast our spirits grow. In every prayer, in every sigh, we seek the mercy of the sky. The moon is thin, the night is calm, a holy month, a healing balm. Hearts awaken, souls ignite. Ramadan's light, Ramadan's glow. Through the fast our spirits grow. In every prayer, in every sigh, we seek the mercy of the sky. The dawn it whispers truth so clear. With every tear he draws us near. Empty plates but hearts are full. Each moment counts, each breath we take. A better world is ours to make. Ramadan's light, Ramadan's glow. Through the fast our spirits grow. In every prayer, in every sigh, we seek the mercy of the sky. The hunger fades, the soul is fed with words of wisdom, prophet said. Patience blooms in deserts and a lesson etched by his command. Ramadan's light, Ramadan's glow. Through the fast our spirits grow. In every prayer, in every come, a holy month, a healing balm. Hearts awaken, souls ignite. Ramadan's light, Ramadan's glow. Through the fast our spirits grow. In every prayer, in every sigh, we seek the mercy of the sky. The dawn, it whispers truth so clear. With every tear he draws us near. Empty plates, but hearts are full. Each moment counts, each breath we take. A better world is ours to make.